This extra-large cordless electric lunch box holds a genuinely substantial meal, which makes it well-suited for people with bigger appetites or long shifts away from a kitchen. The built-in high-capacity battery can handle a full heating cycle plus additional keep warm time, so you are not hunting for an outlet at work or on the road. Being able to set an exact mealtime and let the lunchbox automatically start heating in advance feels much more intuitive than fiddling with traditional countdown timers. The adjustable heating plate, which can reach very high temperatures, does a thorough job on dense, saucy dishes while still keeping food moist rather than drying it out. I appreciate that it arrives as a complete kit with utensils, a removable divider, and a well-insulated two-tier carrying bag, so it's ready to use without buying extra accessories. The leak-resistant lid and sturdy bag make it practical to toss into a car or carry to a job site without worrying about spills or messy cleanup.